Welcome back to Amazing Smart Channel. Today, Amazing Smart brings you a unique and practical idea: crafting a mini soldering iron using a motorcycle spark plug. Step 1. Prepare the spark plug and sharpen its tip first. We need an old spark plug, commonly found in motorcycles or cars. Spark plugs have a special structure with a heat-resistant metal tip, making them ideal for a soldering iron. Attach the spark plug to a handheld drill, then use a grinding stone to sharpen the tip. This sharpening process creates a pointed end that can easily contact small soldering points on electronic circuit boards. Grind slowly and evenly to ensure the tip is sharp enough without being too thin, which could break, or too blunt, which would reduce effectiveness. Step 2. Modify the screw head. Once the spark plug is sharpened, move on to modifying a screw. Take an old screw, flip it over, and use a handheld cutting tool to remove the head, the part with the slot for turning. The goal is to extract the inner shaft, which is hard and conducts electricity well. Always wear safety goggles and gloves during cutting to protect yourself from sparks or flying metal fragments. Step 3. Extract and smooth the core. Next, use a hammer to gently break the screw head and expose the inner core. Once revealed, use a grinder to smooth the surface. This increases electrical contact and ensures safe usage. The core will act as a heat conductor, transferring energy from the power source to the spark plug tip. Step 4. Create the soldering iron body using plastic tubing to form the body of the soldering iron. Use a piece of PVC or flexible plastic tubing with a suitable diameter. Grind one end to create a beveled edge, making it easier to insert the spark plug. The tubing provides insulation and a comfortable grip. Use glue or electrical tape to secure the spark plug inside the tube, ensuring it's firmly held and won't loosen during use. Step 5. Prepare the wire and copper core. Take a piece of single core or flexible wire. Then strip the insulation using pliers to expose the copper core. This copper wire will carry electricity from the battery to the spark plug, heating the tip. Make sure the copper is long enough for easy connection, and clean it to prevent oxidation that could reduce conductivity. Step 6. Attach the copper wire to the spark plug wrap. The stripped copper wire tightly around the sharpened spark plug. Then use electrical tape to secure the wire firmly in place. This prevents loose connections or short circuits during operation. The tape also adds insulation and keeps the wire from slipping off while in use. Step 7. Build a power source using batteries to power the soldering iron. Use 3 AA batteries or rechargeable 1.5V cells. Take a small wooden board as a base and fix the batteries onto it using strong adhesive tape. This setup keeps the batteries stable during wiring and provides a solid platform for easy handling. Step 8. Connect the batteries with copper wire. Use 2 pieces of copper wire to connect the batteries in series. The negative end of the first battery connects to the positive end of the second, and the negative end of the second connects to the positive end of the third. The remaining 2 terminals, one positive and one negative, will serve as the main power output for the soldering iron. Double-check all connections to ensure they're secure and free of shorts. Step 9. Connect and test the soldering iron after completing all the steps. You now have a homemade mini soldering iron crafted from a motorcycle spark plug. Connect the 2 wires from the battery pack to the copper wire attached to the spark plug. Observe whether the spark plug tip heats up. If everything is working correctly, the tip will begin to warm, hot enough to solder small joints on circuit boards or wires. Try soldering a small wire to test the heat and precision of your DIY tool. Safety tips. Always wear safety goggles when grinding or cutting metal. Never touch the spark plug tip while power is connected. Use high-quality electrical tape to prevent leakage. Do not use this DIY soldering iron for complex electronics or precision tasks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next creative project on Amazing Smart.